What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market, coming at you live. Sorry about the little technical difficulties we had starting up the stream, but thank you everybody for tuning in tonight. We got 9 people in here already. If y'all could hit that like button for me. Good to see everybody in the chat. What's up, Rick? Crypto Critter, Crypto Visions. What's up, Doge Noodle? How you doing, man? Pretty rough day for crypto, man. Dogecoin down 9.25%. Ethereum down quite a bit. XRP down another 8%. That's almost a whopping 20% the past 2 days. And we got ADA currently taking a pretty good hit, down almost 7% on the day. Thank you, Saul. Thank you for tuning in, man. Representing Crypto Visions. Yes, we got Donkey Kong getting down. We got the charts popping. We got some music for y'all. We'll go over some technical analysis tonight on some Dogecoin. Let you guys know what I'm seeing on the charts. It's nice to see we saw that pretty good pop at 27.78. But I mean, it's looking pretty bearish right now, guys. We're not really getting no good news popping in. I read a bunch of articles today about people were concerned about the crypto regulations being part of this. Some people think it's whales. You know, it's probably a combination of a little bit of everything. So not concerned about it. I think it's just getting some pullback. We're losing some volume. RSI is really cooling off. People are taking profits right now. And if that volume continues to stay low, and with people taking profits, we'll continue to be in this downtrend. But hopefully we can start to pop out of it. Something that would signify a good pop out would be run above 30 cents, but we'll have to see what happens short term. What's up, Robert Dean? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Kappa Jones says it's going to go up. That's what I think too, man. I just think we're seeing some pullback. I reported the past couple days. I thought this week would have been good. Apparently I was wrong. I'll admit it when I'm wrong. But, you know, it's not the end of the world, guys. If we're seeing some pullback, you can go to a 4-hour chart. When in doubt, you zoom out. Still got a pretty good level, ascending level of support right here. So I'm not too concerned about it. Even though that is quite a bunch of 4-hour candles right here. There's a lot of people taking profits. A lot of people shorting the market right here. I just hope we don't form like a little head and shoulders right here and, you know, continue to trend downwards for the short term, because there's a lot of bad news out, man. And we're going to cover that tonight. We're going to go over everything, let you know where everything, what everybody's saying in the markets about crypto. And I think it'll be a good stream, guys. Yeah, Rick, I had fun at Marino's stream today, man. That's a good dude. Kappa says it's folks that's breaking even. Yeah, you probably had a lot of people that were just sitting there holding Doge for quite some time, you know, finally got green, maybe took some profits. You're getting a lot of volume getting taken out the market right now. Bitcoin was trading around somewhere around 7 billion in volume, currently down to 5 billion. So we are taking a little bit of hit. That volume's not coming back up. And we'll be breaking down the Bitcoin charts here shortly. What's up, One Shot GT? How you doing, man? Thank you for tuning into the stream. We're a fairly small YouTube channel, man. If you could hit that subscribe button for me, I'd greatly appreciate you, my brother. But let me touch base on some of these articles I was reading today. Get back to the top. So cryptocurrencies, you know, as everybody knows, we're trading lower today. Bitcoin was trading around 45, 118, 418 at the time of this news article. But I want to break down this article. It's got a lot of good information. They had some news come out of Spain today. The National Securities Market Commission issued a warning about the notice of 12 companies, including crypto exchanges, for providing investment services without being registered with authorities. South Korea crypto exchange of Japan, tech giant Line, is reportedly limiting its services next month for crypto uses. And it's really got a bunch of bad news kicking into the market right now, man. A lot of bad news about Bitcoin, not about Doge. Doge actually had some really great news with Vitalik Buterin actually working with the Doge developers. The news broke today. I think that's very good news. I do think you'll see Ethereum Doge bridge coming. We are seeing a market pullback, which is understandable, guys. I mean, we came from 16 cents all the way up to 35. So you can expect the pullback. If you're swing trading it, I held through this. I'm not too concerned about it. I'll continue buying the dips whenever possible. But guys, if you're swing trading, you want to capitalize on this, we'll definitely do a better job at getting you up-to-date information about trying to sell these peaks. Because I mean, it is kind of down when you had 35 cents, you write it down to 27. You know, back up to 29.74, looking pretty good. I like to see it hop above 30 cents here shortly, but we'll see what happens, guys. Other news is the decreasing volume in the market. It's really taking a toll right now. Like I said, the volume pushed towards 7 billion last week, and now we're back to 5 billion on Bitcoin. And just across the market, the volume is actually stepping down. And if Bitcoin can continue to trade higher on declining volume, it can signify a pretty much exhausted market, and prices will reflect that. But if volume were to pick back up, you could see 50K Bitcoin very quickly, guys. It's just we're lacking volume right now. That's pretty much it. And of course, we all knew about the Poly news, the cyber attack saga that dragged into its second week now, with the hackers yet to provide the key for the multi-signature wallet needed to complete the full return of the 600 million. So the hackers that actually stole from the Polygon network were trying to return it, and they were basically offering $500,000 if they would return it, which is a whole messed up situation. So that could be quite a little bit of FUD actually dropping into the market too. It's just a lot going on right now, especially with the infrastructure bill. I'm kind of turning bearish short term on the market, man. Until the volume can start to return, I'm actually feeling a little bearish. But we catch up with the chat real quick. Yep. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Welcome to the live show. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. What's up, Dev Digits? How you doing, man? What's up, Brandon? How are you doing, man? I see you new to the stream. If you could hit the subscribe button, man, we'd love to have you join the community. Yeah, you're right, Crypto Visions. Dogecoin is the best coin out there, man. That is just my opinion. That's why I put it in each and every one of my live streams, because this is actually my first live stream ever was about Dogecoin. You know, I got my feet wet with Dogecoin, and I'll ride it to $1 or I'll ride it to zero, man. And it's not going to zero, so. Street Market, you still trying to FOMO in? Yep, RW, Doge Council just formed, Vitalik, Elon, and more. Huge news. Doge will hit $1 easily by the end of the year. Good to see you, Matt. Yep, man, I still say it, dude. I still believe it. So that's why I'm holding true, adding to the dips whenever I can. That's just what I'm doing, man. Y'all can rock with me, or just sit on the sidelines and see what happens. But I'm fully prepared to see $1 Dogecoin this year. So, like, guys, even if we do come out of this dip and we start ripping again, you start seeing 35 cents and everything's all gravy again, you have to be prepared for these pullbacks. I didn't think we would see as much of a pullback right here. 27 cents, you know, gets a lot of people nervous. I told y'all last night, under 30 cents, 30, 31, I'd get concerned, and this is why. So, short term, I think it's looking a little bearish right now. So just keep that in mind. Hey, Crypto Visions, RW is cool, man. Let's just try to keep it not political. But yes, RW, crypto follow, yeah, crypto's gonna rebound, man. It's no big deal. I'm really not concerned about it. Just giving you a little bit better opportunity to buy, man. One Shot GT think Bitcoin has to break 48K and we're off running. A lot of altcoins should rip up. I just think my... Yeah, definitely, dude. Definitely. Sorry, I had to read your comment twice, man. I was going through a bunch of stuff on my screen. Something popped up. Yeah, man. If Bitcoin break 48, I'm thinking the altcoins will rip, man. I think, you know, some people saying it's altcoin season. You know, I was getting very excited for a minute. Like, all the other altcoins were running up. Bitcoin was just kind of standing still. But where's Bitcoin at right now? Today I actually took it easy, guys. I didn't follow the charts like super heavy today. But yeah, if we get it back above 48, man, it's gonna take a lot to get there right now. We don't have the volume, man. That's what we are lacking in the markets right now. Oh, Dev Digits, man. You just joined KuCoin. You know, you can actually get like up to 7% if you stake your crypto on KuCoin. What's up, Trade to Travel? What's my position? I'm in at 4 cents, man. I got a little bit at 56. I bought for SNL. I'm still holding that. And that's pretty much it, man. Yeah, RW, if you're still here, he accidentally timed you out, man. Sorry about that. It's all good, man. Ready Buyer says, Doge reward on dips. Just buy Doge. Y'all know what it is. We're a Doge community. Everybody's going to pump Doge whenever they can. Trade to travel. I don't really like to expose my positions, man, but I got quite a bit at 4 cents, man. I got quite a bit, and then I have quite a bit at 56 cents. So hope you're sitting tight on your trade too, man. Really am. I think that puts my average somewhere around like 9 cents, somewhere around there, 8 cents. But I got quite a bit at 4 cents, man. Like I said, I first started streaming right when Dogecoin ran from 7 to 11. 7 to 11 cents. That was a long time ago. That was the good old days, man. That's when everything was popping. Trade to Travel says inflation. That's why inflation is very real, man. I saw a video from me, Kevin, earlier. He was at a watch store. Dude, they only had like 2 watches in the entire store. So inflation is a very real thing. Government can't continue to keep printing money the way they are and not expect inflation rates to absolutely skyrocket. So this month it came back pretty decent. That's why the CPI data I thought was going to be pretty good news for crypto and the stock market. But we're seeing some tapering back right now. So just what we're seeing right here, man. Let's see, we lost in the chat for a second. Robert Dean says Bitcoin 45008 and rising. Yeah, I'm sure you're still in here. It's all good, Crypto Visions. 30 cents coming in hot. Let's zoom in on that 5-minute chart, guys. Let's see if we can get this thing above 30 cents. So 27.78 would have been a pretty good dip buy. I wasn't keeping too much track, but right now we got that 14-day moving average hooking toward that 50. RSI is cooking up. We're getting 56 on the RSI. We might actually get this break of 30 cents. Looks pretty good on the chart. Let's see what we get short term. But what the charts are signifying to me right here is we're actually heading up, and we're going to get that 30-cent test if the charts hold true. Like I said, that's signifying that 14-day moving average. You want to see that start to hook toward that 50-day, which it is. And then you got the RSI heating up right here. It's not too much oversold right now. It is starting to heat up a little bit. If we can get a good push, get that back around 60, 65, we'll easily get that break over 30 cents. Yeah, I do have the games, man. I put the slots in here. Ernesto, who's printing money? I want some. Don't we all, man? I want crypto. I'm tired of dirty fiat, man. Can't stand it. RW. It's all good, RW. Man, RW has been rocking with me for a long time, everybody. I'm going to drop him a wrench. Thank you very much, RW. We just try to keep it not political in here, man. It tends to separate people. Not that I don't like people to express their opinions. I just like to keep it. Yeah, you know, politics are relative to the stock market and to the crypto market. It just tends to divide people. So I try to stray away from my presidential picks and all that other stuff. You know what I mean? Dude, RW, you've been rocking with me for a long time, man. I really appreciate you very much. Jonathan K, what's happening, brother? Pantry, what's going on, man? How does Doge look? It's getting a bounce right here, man. It's getting a bounce. We got the RSI loading up. 14-day movement to the 50-day moving average. Like to see a pretty good little move here, man. I mean, unless the whales are actually really heavily manipulating right here, you might get a retest. I got my screen so crowded right here. 29.40. Let's see what happens with the next couple 5-minute candles that really signify where we're heading. We hit 29.90 right here, got rejected. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, my friends. Ben Cadillac, dude. What's happening, man? You were on point today in Bulldog stream, man. Oh. I must have got a super chat. I was like, what the hell is that? Something's going on here. Yeah, definitely still a ways to run, man. Yeah, dude, it's really sad. I will speak on that, Crypto Visions. It's really sad what's going on in Afghanistan, man. It really is. I hate to see it. Yeah, RW pops in every now and then, man. He's been with us since the beginning of the YouTube journey, man. Ghost is ghosted, man. No telling what happened to him. We got a $20 super chat coming from One Shot GT. Thank you very much for that $20 super chat, dude. You did not have to do that, but it greatly helps support the channel, man. Thank you very much. He says Bitcoin needs to break 48K and then not much resistance after that, I think. But go effing Doge and whatever crypto coins everywhere in here is holding. Good stuff, Matt. Thank you very much, One Shot GT, man. You're greatly appreciated, dude. And I totally agree, man. I'd love to see Bitcoin get back to 48K. I would love to see all the altcoins freaking rip, dude. But we're just not getting it right now. We're kind of in this some bearish territory, guys. And you know, I said this week I thought it was gonna be good. It's starting off bad, man. It really is. The whole week is starting off really crappy. I mean, Doge is just erasing the gains we had off that one big day. Even XRP is down almost 20% in 2 days. So really bearish territory when you start trading underneath this 200-day moving average. And guys, this is Webull. If you're, you guys know what I rock with, but I like to look at the 200-day moving average, the 50 and the 14. That could signify a good little break. But you see how this is trending down? But we're starting to hook. It's signifying to me like it's going to get a push to the upside. So if it does, that'd be really great to see it retest 30. Come shortly and start breaking some of these tops right here. Or if we can break back in this range and try to consolidate again and eventually head up to retest that 50-day moving average, which might be somewhere around 31 cents. At that range, that'd be the best case scenario, man. RW says, thanks, Matt. I appreciate the wrench. You're a cool dude. One of these days when Doge hits $1 and beyond, we're hitting the town. That sounds like a good time, man. We're also going to try to be at Dojapalooza in Houston, man. So if you can, if anybody's out there and they can make it, that'd be a great time, man. Whoever can make it, we'll probably go eat somewhere, grab some food, have a good time, drink a couple beers, man. Yeah, Zach, that's it, dude. I feel like I've been hearing it for a minute now. One shot, yep. Ernesto. I had to put some dancing emojis on the stream, man. What did Def Digits share? Oh, I missed it, dude. What's up, Justin Riviera? I do, man. Long term, I think it is still bullish. We're just seeing some bearish activity in the market right here, man. Everything's taking a hit. We're all getting some pullback. But it does look good right now with this 14-day hooking towards this. I think you'll get a bounce here shortly because these two are converging on each other. And we'll see what happens here in the next couple, probably 2 or 3 5-minute candles. We'll know which way Doge is actually trending right here. Yeah, thank you very much for that super chat, One Shot, dude. Greatly appreciate it. Oh, you still haven't made dinner? Yeah, I had some. They had some New York strips on sale, and we cooked some shrimp with that. So that's what we had for supper. Hope everybody had a good day today, man. Big Tuesday. We were rocking here late at night, talking about some crypto. You know, there is a lot of foot out there in the market right now. Sadly, if the volume does not step up, guys, Doge and the rest of the market can continue to trend downwards. I'd like to see Ethereum stay above 3,000, of course, Doge above 29. But if this continues for the rest of the week, things could get pretty red pretty fast. So y'all just have your, if you're swing trading, just bought back in recently, just have your exit points ready, you know? So guys, we got 21 people in here. If y'all could smash that like button for me, I greatly appreciate it, man. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and stay up to date with the latest information on crypto. What's up, West Side? We smoke. I was tuning in today, man. I was at work, so I couldn't chat too much with you. But I definitely was tuning in, man. Man, Bulldog's been popping lately, dude. Yesterday was awesome, man. It was really awesome. Sentiment in the market is definitely coming back. So the market gets excited. We're just seeing some pullbacks, guys. I mean, that's all it is. No, thank you, Justin. Really appreciate it, man. People just taking profits. Whales killing it, Jonathan says. Yeah, man. I mean, I had to turn off my alerts from whale traders on Twitter, but that thing goes off like nonstop. And whoever's shorting this thing, they have some, dude, there's some whales out there because they're shorting millions of dollars at a time. It's probably the same guys, you know? But that whale trader alert can definitely let you know when something serious is going down, like a massive short attack across the whole market. Because a couple days ago when they had that really big short attack, I mean, dude, my phone went off 30 notifications in a row telling me, hey, ADA's getting shorted, Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP. Like, it was just nonstop. It was definitely something to look at if you don't mind the notifications dinging off all the time. So, yeah, thank you very much, Robert Dean. Not Citadel, I swear. That's a good name, man. That's a good name. I like that name. Gonna be a Solana summer. Yep. I like some Solana, man. I really do. I'll pull up the charts here in a minute. Check out what the price of Solana is actually rocking at. Yeah, not Citadel. If you're new to the channel, man, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me, man. Love to have you join our community. Very small community. Nonetheless, we grind and talk about crypto, stocks. Just try to grow, man. Yeah, Donkey Kong's getting a little tired up there, huh? SRM just got a big pump. Yeah, we'll pull it up, man. Let's pull that up. I think we got some super chats coming in. SRM, crypto. We got two super chats back, super stickers back to back from One Shot GT. Two $5 super stickers, dude. Thank you very much, One Shot GT. Much love, dude. Greatly appreciate it, my man. Thank you for supporting the channel, man. I have SRM back up on my chart. Just got a good little pump. Last two candles. You currently have TraderView on your app, huh? Go to 1 day. The 1 day. Oh yeah, I see it, dude. Just got a nice little pump. I could see some pullback from that pump though. So like if you're holding that, that'd be a sell point for me right here. I don't think that's sustainable, man. So all you guys holding this coin, SRM, that's a pretty massive pump. I would take profits right there if it was me, and look to buy back in a little bit cheaper. But I never heard about this, man. I really haven't. I'll look into it though. I'll put it on my notes and definitely keep my eye on it, man. Yep, One Shot GT, thank you very much. What's up, Ryan? Okay, I got you, dude. I like the name change, though. Definitely cool, man. What up, Dr. Supernova here, reminding everybody to effing hold. Let's go. Hey, thank you, Dr. Supernova. Please consider hitting that subscribe button for me and join the community, man. Greatly much appreciated. We got round table trading in the house. What's happening, brother? Hopefully you were doing well, man. Def Digits Gaming says, I'm still in the background focusing on the scalp game. Got to focus on that. So, guys, we're getting some red candles pumped in the Doge. We're not getting that break off that 14-day moving average. Probably see a little bit of a dip here. We got pretty strong support sitting right around 29 cents. So, I do see a little bounce before 29. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me change something really quick, really fast. I'm gonna pop it back up. I forgot to take something off, and I've been getting copyright strikes. So CryptoVision, I know what you were talking about with some of that music off of Spotify, and I forgot to take it off. So I just took that off. So sorry about that, guys. There goes Bitcoin. What happened, man? Let's pull up some Bitcoin. I need to keep Bitcoin up here. I'm gonna tomorrow night. I'm gonna get back to the double screens, maybe even 4. Bitcoin 44,707. So yeah, we got that hook right here above that 50-day. See, that's what I would have expected for Doge, but it didn't happen right here. It happened on Bitcoin, and then you saw some pretty massive sell-off. So it's almost 4% on Bitcoin for a day is, that's a lot, guys. That tells you right there that people are taking profits and the volume stepping away. Even Ethereum. Let's pull up some Ethereum on the chart, see what's happening short term. Yeah, Ethereum's looking the same. Everything's looking the same again, guys. Almost like it's following Bitcoin. Got that hook, that 14-day moving average hooking above that 50-day. Not quite seeing the sell-off that we saw on Bitcoin where it dropped below it. So Ethereum's looking a little bit more bullish on the short term, I would have to say. But even right here, major sell-off across the market. Briefly dipped below 3,000. So I would say we're still in the downtrend, guys, and we're not seeing a real break above these levels right here. Once you start seeing this level, start hopping above this level, hopping above 3072, then you'll start that uptrend again. But we're not seeing that currently, but it's looking like it's trying to break out right here. So we'll just have to keep a close eye on the entire market right now. Pull back up Dogecoin, see what it's doing real quick, and then we can pull up ADA. Check out some ADA and maybe some XRP if you guys are interested in XRP, which I think will absolutely rip when it comes out the lawsuit. Yep, One Shot with the super stickers. Thank you very much, One Shot. Greatly appreciate you, my brother. Much love, man. Had to get some ocean. It's my favorite place. Still up. Where you went to the ocean at, Jonathan K? SOL Moon. Yeah, I'm about to pull up some Solana, man. I do like some Solana. Really do. I think CryptoVisions was telling me Secret Fish said Solana was due for a rip, man. Dr. Supernova out. Hey, appreciate you for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate it, my man. Seeing a lot of new faces on here, but we're helping the channel grow. Please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much, Ernesto. Yep, I never heard of SRM either until tonight. It's on my watch list now. We'll be rocking with it. Yep, Robert Dean, hopefully tonight is the night. Let's get that uptrend going, bro. Let's get the uptrend going. Guys, that dude Seth, he's my buddy from work. He's all good. He's a cool cat, man. Among the chickens, he's the rooster. That's how I can explain him. Back to low 27 or lower throughout the week. It's possible, man. I mean, we just hit 27. Until we start breaking out this uptrend, man, I'm currently holding off to buy anything. Even though you can get some pretty good swing trades off these downtrends, it's very risky because you can get left behind if you're not reading the charts correctly. Even if you are reading the charts correctly, if the whales go to major short this thing, you can, end up buying somewhere within this range when you start seeing them break out, and it can fall out on you. See, like right here, that's a perfect example. Like if you start seeing this big green bounce, another green candle, and you're like, okay, this might signify a little breakout right here. You go ahead and purchase, and then it'll just fall out on you. So you have to be very careful. You have to really signify a good breakout where you have these 4 candles back to back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one big green candle. That would signify a buy point for me right around 29.04, and that would be a good swing trade. So you have to really watch the charts if you're swing trading this stuff. So right now, getting a test of that support / resistance. This would signify maybe a little false break right here. 5-minute candle followed by a green 5-minute candle. So let's see what happens, guys. Catch back up with the chat. Robert Dean says, we got that high. Yep, that's it, dude. What's up, Michael? How you doing, buddy? I see you new to the chat, man. You could hit the subscribe button, man. Greatly appreciate it. Going Mike style if you like the name. He buys a nibble. Oh, I got you, man. Thank you, Dr. Supernova. Greatly appreciate it, my brother. Robert Dean says ADA's up 2%. I'd like to see ADA hop back above $2, man. But we all know that's going to happen shortly. We got smart contracts. ADA looks the best out of all of them. That's what I'm saying, guys. When you see that 14-day moving average hook and go to break that 50-day moving average, that signifies a pretty good change in the trend. I think ADA could possibly run to eventually go retest $2 right here. You could definitely go get a retest of this 200-day moving average up here, and break above that would signify you getting out of a bearish trend right there. So ADA looking very good, probably even better than Ethereum was looking. Let's check Ethereum real quick. Yeah, it looks better than Ethereum, even though Ethereum looks pretty nice too, short term. 3041 may signify like a little start of an uptrend right here, guys. I would like to see Ethereum hop back above 3057. That would signify a run back to 3,078 bucks. If we can break that, I would be convinced that we're getting out of this bearish trend, and it might be good heading into the weekend. So that's some pretty good levels to watch for, guys. Plus, we got the news today about Vitalik Buterin working with the Dogecoin developers. I do see a Dogecoin Ethereum bridge coming. I do think it'll happen. That's going to be very, very bullish, guys. It's just really cool that dude's even working with the developer team, like especially with all the work he does for Ethereum. So that tells you right there, he has invested. He shares common goals for Dogecoin. So you see right there, we're getting that rejection of that 50-day moving average. I'd like to see that break. We see that break, that'd be a best case scenario right here. But we are currently getting rejected, and if we can't get out that trend right there, we could see a rejection right here. Let me get that Solana TA, my dude. I don't think I can't pull it up on that chart, man, and I don't have it on. Let me try my best off of. Let me pull this up. Solana. Type of one hand right here. I'm actually holding my mic. See if I can pull up the chart right here. I'd like to see a break above 66.74 to signify uptrend, but dude, it's up 1 week it's up 60%. Wow. 24 hour down 10%. You might be able to get a little bit cheaper, man, if it continues this. I would not ride it lower than I don't know what price you got in at, but 62 it signifies pretty much falling out on me. I'd be careful, man. You had a really decent run up. Past month you're up 144%. Looking very nice, guys. But when you see these big pops right here, like Dogecoin, for instance, we saw 35. It is coming back down, so you can definitely capitalize on these major run-ups. Like, that's a lot of volume, a lot of spike pumping into Solana. You might be actually able to take some tennies off the top right here just to be safe, man. If I was trading that, I would definitely take some tennies off the top. So you can see right here we got rejected. It's turned into a red candle right here on the 5-minute chart. So let's see what happens with some Dogecoin in the near future here. How you see AMP doing? Looks to stay around 6 cents. I think you'll see 5 to 4 cent AMP possibly in the future, man. And you know I'm bullish on AMP. I just don't think it's the time for it right now. I just don't, man. I think you'll see some pullback from it. Yeah, especially Jonathan K. Whales have been playing with Solana the last few days, especially after you have that massive run up. 60%, 144% in the last month. You'll definitely see some pullback, man, just like we're seeing across the rest of the market. I think yesterday it said it dropped 10%, so just be careful if you're in Solana. I would secure some profits up top. Definitely would. Yep, hit that like button. Thank you very much, man. Solana has been ripping since Secretfish first mentioned it, probably because he's buying it up. That'd be my guess. Secretfish is a whale. Yes, SRM governance token is... Oh, it's based on the Solana blockchain? I'm going to dig further into it, One Shot GT. I might actually look to pick some up, man. Hopefully so, Def Digits. Yeah, we're just struggling to get over this 50-day moving average right now, man. Thank you, Michael Hunley. Thank you very much, man. Greatly appreciate it, dude. Like I said, we're a small growing community, but we're a pretty tight group, man. I've been meeting a lot of cool people as of recent, and it's definitely paying off, man. I love the little community that we're all building together. It's really cool, man. 8, I wish I never took profits from. Yeah, Jonathan K, I'll pull that up here in a second. Ben Cadillac, you still sitting on your ADA long term? Me too, man. Me too, my man. ADA's not going nowhere, especially with smart contracts rolling out. And to me, quite frankly, you know, I might fight myself, but I am not selling because when smart contracts break out, it's not worth it for me to try to swing trade it. I think it'd be best case trying to stake your ADA and getting more ADA for that. So Ernesto, you funny, dude. Jonathan K says, Ben Cadillac, I took profits before the update news came out. Not selling what I have either. Yeah, man, I'll be holding long term, and I'm telling you guys, if you hold an ADA long term, your best case is to stake it, man. Solana been rocketing, everything down now, but it follows its own path on Solana. Yeah, dude, I mean, it broke away from the rest of the crowd, even though yesterday it was down 10%. It's only down quite like a small percentage for today. But you can expect that after that massive run up. Oh, so what's that mean, man? I remember Luke. We used to have a guy named Luke in our chat, man. That's why I'm asking you. And like one night when Dogecoin was ripping to 74 cents, he popped in and he was like, guys, I'm thinking I'm about to buy 5K worth of Dogecoin. And he disappeared. I never saw him again. and his wife popped in the chat. I guess it was his wife, and she was looking for Luke. And that's kind of a little joke we have with the OGs around here that, you know, Luke's 6 feet under somewhere, man, or something. Let me know if you're Luke. I wonder what happened to that guy. Yes, man, I have quite a bit of VeChain. Somewhere around 9 cents. I think VeChain is going to do extremely well this year. I really do, man. Ernesto, you still holding some VeChain, huh? Jonathan K. Seekerfish was chatting from his Gulfstream jet the other day. That's funny, man. Must be nice. Must be real nice. Ben Cadillac says, Jonathan K, I haven't tried much short-term crypto trading. It scares me. That's part of why I'm listening. Yeah, Ben Cadillac, dude. When I first started, dude, you could take $100, man. Take $100 if you want to start working on your swing trading. Try to turn that $100 into $200 and then repeat, rinse and repeat, and keep doing that process. And see what you can do, man. But start with that first $100 if you want to just try to time the market. That way you get close to reading the charts. And you start, instead of buying up here, you can start buying down here, man. You know, most people, and dude, when I first started trading, I was guilty of it. I really was. I wouldn't even look at the charts, wouldn't look at the news, wouldn't look at nothing. And what I would do is, I would just say, okay, I got a couple, you know, $100, $200 to drop in the market. It would probably be sitting at 33 cents right here. And I would buy in right there, you know? So you just have to be prepared, man. You got to do your own research, learn how to read some charts. But if you hang around here long enough, man, you'll be a pretty good swing trader right here. So you have to look at the moving averages, RSI, support and resistance lines, and identify some basic trading pattern signals, and you'll be off, man. You'll be off to the races. Have you bought any NFTs? Everybody doing them. I see them commercial that John Cena is bringing one out Friday. Now, it's pretty cool. Dude, it's actually a really big NFT market on Twitter. They got a bunch of guys that are actually on there making NFTs, man. So I did buy that Matt's Market NFT. I forgot the dude's name. He was hanging around with us the first time crypto ran. I forgot his name, man. Anyway, I bought some NFTs from him, but no, I do want to buy some more, man. I really do. It just gets super, super deep in the NFT market, man. It really does. Yep, Rick says I'm sitting ADA long term. Also, Rick, just a question, man. Are you actually staking your ADA, or are you just holding it in like a Coinbase account or whatnot? Ben Cadillac, I just took a couple hundred profit. It's always good to take profits, man. Always good. Robert Dean says 1.5K subs, looking to hit 5K. Smash that like button and subscribe. Hit notifications. Take Matt's Market to space. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. That is the goal, man. I'm trying to hit 5K this year. Whether it happens or not, that's just a goal. You gotta set short-term goals, but that is definitely the goal for the year. I'm mostly a holder, been doing the options thing, but didn't lose or win. Made good money and then lost it. There's nothing wrong with being a holder, Jonathan K, man. Really not. Oh, good. Ernesto, you still holding on to your VeChain? Yep. When you take some profits, man, you can't lose. You really can't. What's up, Heat? How you doing, man? I think when more people bring hype to Doge and people tell you to buy more, that means wait for a dip or sell. I learned that the hard way with SNL and bought Doge at an average of 60 cents. Heat, I'm gonna tell you something, man. I actually bought for SNL too, man. And I saw it running up to 74 cents and I saw the massive drop. And I thought it was bouncing. And I put my buy-in order at 56 cents. And then the entire market crashed. I lost my order. I didn't know where it went. It disappeared. When Robinhood came back up, my order got triggered for the worst possible price, and I'm still sitting on that to this day, man. So do not feel bad, man. I hope you're still holding. If you are, Doge will be back, man. And I'll be here streaming till that day happens, man. I can promise you that. So if you're new to the community, man, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button for me, man, and join our community. Let's see. Def Digits reading the chart is not hard once you know what to look for. Yeah, there's some little things it'll take time learning, but I mean, even I make mistakes still. I mean, nobody's perfect, man. They can just see the charts, read what they're seeing, kind of give you an idea. Like right now, we're getting that retested at 50-day moving average, still kind of getting rejected, but you can see that why that moving average, that 50-day moving average, is significant to look at, because it can tell you a line that's pretty hard to get over right here, guys. So make sure to, if you're swing trading, doing all that stuff, you have those moving averages set up on your screen. And for that, Webull is actually the best platform out there. If you don't have Webull and you're looking to get it, I got a link in the box below. You get 2 free stocks. I get 2 free stocks. It's a win-win, man. Pete says, I'm thinking I should sell and cut my losses and realize I made a mistake and make my money the smart way and not listen to a lot of random people on YouTube. Hey, man, if that's how you feel, dude, definitely always do your own research, my man. And I'm sorry if you got some bad information and you bought at the top, man. But if you're down that much, personally, man, the best thing that you can do, Heed, and you can take this as I'm just some random dude on YouTube or whatnot, dude. But honestly, I'm just want to give you good advice, man. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, dude. But if I was in your position, I would seriously look at trying to average down, man. If you're stuck up there, I wouldn't. You never lose until you sell, my man. And I do think, honestly, in my heart, dude, that Dogecoin will be $1 this year. So you can take that for what it's worth and click on to the next page if you want, or you can hang around here, man, and join the community and try to get you some tendies back, man. So I wish you the best of luck, and I really do, man. I do think Doge will be $1 this year, but always make smart financial decisions when trading in the markets, man. I know it's really tough. You can get caught up in the hype, the FOMO, all that good stuff, but I'm really rooting for you, man. Really am. Yeah, man, there's a lot of people that report like, $10 Dogecoin into. Dude, I'm not gonna pitch you that, man. I'm gonna pitch you what I'm seeing on the charts, and I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. I do have a Discord, man. If you give me a few seconds, I will pop that Discord in the link down below, man. Yeah, Ben Cadillac, dude, definitely, man. Try with $100, man. Just see where that gets you. That's the bare minimum of what If you can't hit it with that 100, dude, you'll know where you at as a trader. You know what I'm saying? Jonathan K says, lots of BS clickbait on YouTube. Hard to find good people like Matt, Crypto, and Mike. It is, man. It is really hard to find people on YouTube, dude, that aren't just trying to get likes and views and stuff like that. I mean, look, guys, I want to build a community. I don't want to be super big. I just want to build a community and help people out. That's why I started YouTube. I enjoy coming on every night and talking to you guys about the markets. That's why I only get a couple hours of sleep every night, because I'm just trying to help people out, man, build communities. It's a great time for me, man. I really enjoy it. I enjoy reaching out to people and getting to know people. That's the best part of this YouTube journey. Jonathan K. Matt is very transparent. He tells you how. Yep. Ernesto's been with me since day one, man. I don't know how you put up with me that long. That was 4 months ago. So yeah, guys, we've been streaming on Matt's Market for 4 months. 4 long months. We started when it was good, and we've been through the bad. And we'll be here for the good again, man. Just how it goes. Street Market says, bot is set up, time to relax. That's what's up, man. Def Digits says, do not follow hype channels on YouTube. They are the fastest way to lose money. Yeah, they have some that are pretty bad, man. Do you think Shiba will ever move? When Shiba first came out, Michael, honestly, I didn't think it would, man. I thought it was just a little rub-off, sideshow to Dogecoin. But Shiba actually has some backing, man. And, you know, it's, I do think one day it could possibly do something, man. Am I invested in the Shiba? No, I'm not. And would I ever invest into Shiba? I might treat it like a safe moon type play where, you know, you throw $100 at it and basically treat it like your beer money and forget about it, you know, and just leave it, you know. I'm kind of in that mind state. I just haven't looked enough into it, man, to really sit here and tell you what I think. But I can tell you this, that Shiba actually has a really decent backing and a good community. And I'm all for coins doing good things. So I hope it does, man. And if you're invested in the Shiba, I really hope it treats you well, man. I really do. You guys are funny, man. Yes, HUD, if you're still in here, dude, averaging down is, man, if you can, dude, if at all possible, man, averaging down would be your best case scenario, man. I understand if you can't do it, and if you ever get in a hard spot, never invest more than what you're willing to lose, my man. If you can average down, that would be the best case scenario for you, man. Yeah, I'm not really a hype channel, man. I just speak what I feel and tell you guys what I'm thinking, man. Yeah, Ernesto, definitely, man. When Doge starts ripping, I'll bring back the old music, man. Crypto Vision says I did that with Shiba, picked up 12.8 million and threw it in the closet in the spare bedroom. Yep, just put it aside, man. Just forget you own it. And if it does something one day, like my Safe Moon, I got 4 million shares. I think I get some every time someone sells, so constantly accumulates. If Safe Moon would ever do something like get to 0.5 cent, I mean, I'd be sitting on a pretty nice return. But I'm talking, you know, 10, 15 years down the road, you know, I would be willing to hold it for. Just forget it that you own it, you know. Okay, cool. You still in here? Thinking about averaging down, but my father passed away and I'm only 18, so it's hitting me pretty hard, and I'm not at work right now. Oh man, dude. Hey, much love. Everybody drop some love for Heed, man. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear you going through a tough time, dude. And you know, I really hope things turn around for you here, man. You know, that's a tough situation, man. But much love, dude. Just know we're here for you if you ever need anything, man. We're always here for you if you need, man. Everyone was saying Voyager was down, so I had $25 and bought 3 million Shiba. See if it was working. Hey, man, nothing wrong with that, Jonathan K. Nothing wrong with that, dude. I do think Shiba, you know, at first I thought Shiba was like just a knockoff of Doge, man. I just being honest with you. But Shiba does have some backing. Coinbase Pro picked it up. You know, there is some backing to it. I do think maybe it could do something one day. Just my opinion. I wouldn't sit here and tell anybody to go ahead and go all in on Shiba. You know, I'm more of a major altcoin type dude. Like these 4 cryptos on my screen are my top runners for the year. That's honestly what I think. But you also got Solana you got to throw in the mix. And I can't put that up. They don't have it on Webull. I like Anchor. I like Matic. There's just a lot of great coins out there, but there's a lot of BS coins. Like I saw one pop up the other night, Daddy Wolf coin. And it popped up on my buddy's Bulldog stream. And I was just like, man, this is the biggest scam ever. Like you'll see these little altcoins pop up and say, we burned 90% of the coins at release, and that's not true. They'll say they burn 90% of the coins. They'll have 100 billion coins posted, and they'll let the price run up, and then they'll just have those however many 90 million coins in an account somewhere, and they'll just sell everything and take your money and run. So you got to be very careful. You know, that's part of the reason why I didn't invest in Shiba and a lot of those baby wolf coins and all that stuff like that. That ain't me, man. I went to Safe Moon because right when I started streaming, everybody and their mom was talking about Safe Moon. And, you know, part of me thought it was like, people probably can't, you know, people want what they can't have. And Safe Moon was extremely hard to purchase. Give me one second. I gotta block this screen for a second. I'm getting close to that copyright song. I need to go ahead and take that thing off. But, you know, that's why I bought into Safe Moon. I thought there was a lot of hype behind it. I thought it could have been a really good play. I really hope it does eventually turn into something, but I'm not banking on that. It's all good, Heat, man. That's what we're here for, dude. Give some good information, man. Thank you for tuning in, man. Crypto business, man. I thought you said you stored it in the closet. Oh, I don't know if you're talking to me, but I know you're not in the closet. Crypto Visions. Heat says, once I get back to work, I'm averaging down. That's the spirit, Heat, man. Now you're talking like a true trader, man. I think it'll go extremely well for you, man. I really hope you get back to work. And once again, man, I'm always here if you need someone to talk to. Sorry to hear about your pops, man. Robert Dean says, smash that like button, subscribe, hit notifications. Thank you very much, Robert Dean. Which point will you see for a recovery on Doge? I'd like to see it hop back above 30 cents, and I'd be convinced that we're starting to get back on track. We just can't seem to break these tops up here. We can't seem to get back to go retest 30 cents. It's still looking pretty bearish, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. It might dip some more tonight. I'm just being quite honest with you, because you're getting rejected off this 50-day moving average, and you're not getting that 14-day hooking anymore. It's like, let's go to ADA. See what ADA did off that last little run real quick. See, even ADA is starting to cool off on the RSI. You got that 14 days slightly hooking back, so might get a little sell off. Let's see what happens. But ADA looks a lot better short term than Doge does, but nonetheless, we still know where Dogecoin's going. It's going to $1. Catch back up with the chat. Yeah, man, being so young, Heat, too, man. You're 18, man, and I forgot to emphasize on that, dude. For you to be in a crypto live stream talking to us guys, that's amazing, man. To be 18 years old, like if I would have been 18 doing what you're doing right now, I wouldn't be working today. So keep that in mind, man. Crypto is the future, and I'm sorry you got burnt at the top, but I'm glad to see that you didn't just sell out, lose out, and walk away, because most people do that, man. So I'm glad to see you still held out. Yeah, thank you very much, Heat. I like the Donkey Kong too, man. Brings back the old childhood memories. Some good old Donkey Kong. Crypto is the future. Invest in what you can forget about until you're about 25. Yep. So you're 25, man. You'll be sitting on some nice tennies. Definitely. Yeah, no, crypto is the future, man. Blockchain technology is going to take everything to the next level, man. Yeah, Pantry. Donkey Kong is the ape dancing on the screen, man. Lollipop, what's happening, man? Hello, my American brother. What's happening, man? Got Lollipop 245 in the chat, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in with me tonight, man. I really appreciate the love and support y'all been giving me, man. Thank you very much. Even though I told y'all it was going to be a good week, I'm sorry I did that because it's not starting off so hot. Yep. This was so great, Heat, man. Small community, man, but we're all here for you, dude. Yeah, we got Crypto Visions community in the chat, man. For everybody has been supporting me, make sure you go check him out. We just got Crypto Visions over 300 subscribers. Very cool dude, man. Works really hard at what he does. Zach B calling for the Uno reverse card. That's what I want to see, man. I want to see crypto rip. And we don't want to start talking about dips, man. Zach, you already know, man. We've been talking about dips for the past 3 months. We're tired of talking about the dips, man. Shoot, if I knew crypto 2 years ago, I'm old. Yeah, Jonathan K, even 2 years ago, dude, you've been sitting tight, my friend, if you'd have bought 2 years ago. Def Digits say I make more day trading than I did at my last job. It's a tough life, man. But I'm glad you're making money day trading, man. That is awesome. Robert Dean keeping me on point, y'all. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notifications to stay up to date on Matt's Market. It really helps the channel, so you can help us back. Like Matt, as always. Hey, thank you very much, Robert Dean, man. Jonathan K, your buddy held out on me on Doge. Made 500K and sold at 37, I think, after SNL night. Yeah, that was a bad night, man. That was a bad night. Pete says, I just found my Cash App and I got like $10 in AT&T stock. There you go, man. That's awesome, dude. Making some tendies back. Pantry, have I seen the Dogecoin millionaire? I sure have, man. I did check him out. He's still holding through the dips. So that dude took out loans to buy Dogecoin, which is, to me, don't ever do that. But, you know, he got lucky. He did. Crypto Visions. Crypto did look like it was going to be a great week, but the whales, oh, the whales. How the whales control the market, and they show us every day, man. Oh, cool. Oh, you work in a hospital and all the CNA girls showed everyone Doge and invested a lot of money days before SNL. Yeah, man, you just got caught up in the hype, my dude. You just got caught up in the hype, man. Yep, Jonathan K, you're 100%. So Heat, if you do have Coinbase, dude, you can watch free videos. They tend to pop up every once a week, once every 2 weeks. You get free crypto back. Matt's Market, I'm sorry I won't be able to stay here for a while. Hey, but Lollipop, thank you, man. You tuned in. I greatly appreciate it, man. Much love to you, Lollipop. Says Dogecoin to the moon, man. Aiming for 40 cents. You already know, man. Then Cadillac says, sometimes I get nervous, then just zoom out on the chart with crypto. That looks really, really good. When in doubt, you zoom out, man. Yeah, there's a lot of speculation about Robinhood. You know, we're still waiting on these wallets, which have been 4.5 months in the making. They need to just go ahead and release them. It's getting pretty drawn out. You know, they can't just hold them out forever. Whether they are trying to, I don't think they want to release them, but that's just my opinion. It's been 4.5 months since the news broke, or 3.5, something like that, and it doesn't look like they're coming. But they said they were working on them ASAP, so who knows. But we also got some good news about crypto with Walmart hiring a crypto expert. So Walmart doesn't even accept Apple Pay at this moment in time. So for them to be looking at that, that's a very good avenue, man, and very good for the long term. Very, very good. Imagine going to Walmart, picking up your microwave and your socks, and paying for it with some Dogecoin. It's a good time right there, man. Good time. Getting some reaction from the chat. Yes, bro, get off of Robinhood. I will be getting off of Robinhood very shortly, man. As soon as I get my Doge off. I didn't see that, Jonathan K. I did not, man. AMC chart, note that Doge is not moving. It's moving on my end, man. Let me know if you can't see it moving, but I see it moving. One idea and you are a millionaire. Keep up the spirits. There you go, Robert Dean dropping some knowledge. Yeah, Robinhood is super easy. It's just you don't actually own the crypto that you're trading on there, man. That's the only bad thing about it. Until the wallets come out, you don't actually own the crypto. Yep, and then Big Cadillac spin the knowledge. I'd rather own the crypto, you know, be able to do stuff with it. Like when we go to Dogepalooza, I'll be spending some Dogecoin down there in Sugar Land, Texas on October 9th. Be a very cool weekend, guys. We got a couple guys I know that are close to Houston, so we should have a little meetup. We'll post some pictures in the Discord. Be a good time. Definitely be a good time. I put 10K at 27. Let's see what happens. What's up, Scott Smith? Coming in hot. I like it, man. I like it. You might see some bleeding off, dude. Did you get nervous right here for 27.78? Let me know, man. But I see you new to the channel, man. If you could, hit that like and subscribe button for me, dude. That's all I'll ask of you. I stream pretty much every night, man. And I hope you consider joining our community, man. Robert Dean says, like a roller coaster has its downs. Like life, there's always a big climb coming up. Yeah, Pantry. I'll definitely pull up some AMC, dude, if that's something you want to look at. Let's see what AMC did today, guys. Pull up some AMC. Up 4.12%. Down slightly in the after hours. Pretty much sideways trading for the most part, man. All my lines got taken down for the Webull update. That's what happened. So 37.06. I would say 37 cents right now. Let me. Yeah, right at 37. You got some pretty good support. And your next major level is 36, somewhere around 36.80, man. If you would start seeing a downtrend, but not too bad this week, man. Really not too bad. And then after that, you're looking somewhere around 36.53. You got quite a bit of support right here, man, with consolidation happening. So consolidation favors the bulls, man. That's a lot of consolidation, sideways trading. I think with the short attackers and the apes, I think you just have a stalemate right here. I think you just, you're pretty much gridlocked right here. I think you'll have with this 14-day moving average just hanging out around that 50-day. I think you'll eventually see a point in the next week or two where all three of these lines converge. That would be definitely a trend change coming up. But we'll see what happens. I think this week they might fight you. I'll take a look at the call options here in a minute, but they might try to fight you around 35 bucks. You try to keep it as low as possible. On a bit of a little uptrend right here, though. So not looking too bad, man. Not looking too bad. Pantry, you still holding your AMC, man? Let me know. I don't have Trading View. Crypto Visions does, though, man. All right, Ernesto. Definitely, man. I will catch you tomorrow, my brother. I'll be getting at you soon, man. I want to ask you about your job and stuff, so I'll be calling you, man. They're waiting on. Rick says they're waiting on wallets. I think February 2022. Then everyone is at year. They're concerned about people moving. Yeah, man. That's their biggest concern, which they know is going to happen. So I think they'll try to incentivize people to stay into Robinhood once the wallets come out, just like they did with the IPO, how they pre-released it to the Robinhood customers, saying that if you do sell before 30 days, you will be restricted from buying IPOs on Robinhood for 2 months, which I think is BS. So that's why I didn't touch it, man. And of course, if I don't play an IPO, it's gonna rip, and that's what happened, guys. It ran at 77 bucks. I told everybody I was staying away from it. I didn't want to touch it. I didn't care what it did. That's just how I felt about it, man. No, I'm not from Sugar Land. I'm from Louisiana. Pantry. Lollipop says, so when Dogecoin is to the moon, we can use ballet dancing US because we need to raise our hand up to the sky. That's it, brother. I've been waiting all day, so I feel great about it. I did. I subbed too. Hey, thank you very much, Scott Smith. Thank you very much, man. Let me pull that up, Jonathan K. I'm sorry, dude. I forgot all about it. One Shot GT, Crypto Visions, Mass Market. I'm out for tonight. Good stuff on the streaming, predictions, info. You give us watching. I'm from Cali, so 6 a.m. comes fast. Work, fellas. Hey, I got work in the morning, too. Thank you very much for tuning in. I know how it is, One Shot. But thank you very much, man. I look forward to seeing you in the future, man. Thank you very much for all the super chats you dropped tonight. You didn't have to do that, man. But much love, man. Really appreciate it. Give me 1 second, Jonathan K. So you refer to Ocean Protocol? Sorry guys, I'm typing one hand. I'm actually holding my mic tonight. We got Ocean Protocol. Was that it? Down 7.71% on the day. 24 trading volume up a good little bit. Are you in this play right here? 9. Let's see where it's at. 71. 71. I could see some pullback from where it's at, but it might continue an uptrend, man. I don't know what this is. There's just so many coins that come out. Like, I forgot the one last week. I actually looked into it. It was like a karaoke coin. Like real stuff. Like, you pay people in karaoke tips. Like, with this coin, like, it just blows my mind, like, the stuff that comes out. I don't know what this is, man. Market rank is 127. I'd have to look further into it, man, but it might continue a little uptrend. You're way past that 50, or you could see a pullback to 50. If you're holding this 59, I would start getting concerned. But you're sitting up pretty tight right there, man. Hopefully you got in at a good price, somewhere around 37, 40 cents, man. That's another one I'm writing on the list. I got a long list of brand new stuff that I learn about each and every day. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It takes a community to actually build and learn together. So I will look into it, man. Lollipop says, I have to go to work tomorrow. Just drop by and say hello to everyone here. Take care, everybody. I will drop by your next live stream again. I will see you soon. Take care and stay safe, Mass Market. You stay safe too, Lollipop. Thank you very much, man. It's all good, man. I'm just happy you dropped by and say hello, man. Great time. Much love from Singapore to all my friends here. Much love, man. Street market. I'm gonna start pumping. Yeah, dude. Luna is was making some major moves the other day. I got a buddy L Snappy 10. He's pretty big into Luna, man. Type in crypto price. I need to get a Coinbase download on my actually I might download Trading View. I kind of like those things that Crypto Vision has on his streams, but I still like my Webull. I'll be rocking with that. I mean, Luna, look at Luna. Wow. That's massive, guys. I mean, I'd almost have to take some profits right there. I would have to. Let's look at the 1 day. You're starting to downtrend from that high, man. I would, I might look to take some profits if I was in this, man. But Luna's, long-term, very good play, man. Very, very good play. We might start pumping soon. Hopefully so, man. Like I said, look, we couldn't get over that 50-day moving average. We might continue to downtrend. You might see 28.62 come shortly if we don't start getting a bunch of volume stepping up. So, guys, that's where we're lacking right now. That's why we're dipping. We cannot get volume pumping back into crypto. We saw it on Bitcoin. It's dipping. You got whales taking profits. I think you'll see if we continue this downtrend, you'll start seeing some pretty hard spikes back up. But maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a great day. Maybe the rest of the weekend will continue to, start an uptrend. Sometimes the whales flip the markets on you because they know on the weekend everybody's expecting crypto to take a dip. Well, during the week, early week, usually it runs, so they might be flipping the script on everybody, just to make money. So we'll have to see what happens, man. Yeah, Def Digits, good luck with Luna, man. I think it's a great long-term hold, man. But I think he's sitting tight, man. So with Dogecoin right now, we got heavy support at 28.62. So will we see a retest of that? It's quite possible. We're not getting that break over that 50-day moving average. So on the 5-minute chart, let me pull up the 30-minute chart, see what we're looking at. After that 28.62, you got real heavy support at 28.15. And man, I can't even see my lines. I'd have to pop some more lines. We absolutely ripped through this ascending level of support back here. And I thought I had lines popped. I'd have to put some more. But you got support in this range. I just don't have them drawn up. So 28.15 is your major level to look for. You can see this real hard dip right here. Who knows? It might be something like we were seeing back before crypto really started taking a pretty good dip. It would get these hard pops and then pop up the next day. So let's see what happens, guys. But I can tell you what I'm seeing on the charts. It looks a little bearish right now for short-term trading activity. That's it, Jonathan K. We all just live in the ocean of whales, man. So guys, just be on the lookout for 28.15 on Dogecoin. If we do see a break below 28.62, that's the bearish case. Usually crypto tends to run as soon as I hop off the live stream. And 30 cents would be your next major level of resistance after we hop above 29.40. So keep your eyes on that for Dogecoin leading into tomorrow. All right, one shot. Thank you very much for tuning in, man. So I'm going to just touch base on ADA, Ethereum real quick. Thank you guys for tuning in tonight, man. It really means a lot to me. Really freaking does. So ADA right now looking to get over 198 and $2 range. That's going to be some pretty good level to try to hop over. I think you might see a retest of 187.04. Even though you have really strong support around 189, if we continue this downtrend, best case scenario, you would start a pretty good uptrend right here, get a bounce, continue to move upwards, of course, but we just don't know what's going to happen. We could quite possibly come back down a little bit lower, somewhere around 190, somewhere within that range. So just be careful, set your alerts, and be aware of what's going on in the market. Ethereum holding up pretty well. I'd like to see Ethereum stay over 3,000, but could quite possibly dip. If we continue this downtrend, I think we'll see a double bottom at 29.51, and I would be cautious right here to look for a fallout right after this double bottom. I've seen it a lot recently, and just be careful. Be very careful if you trade some Ethereum. If we would go to see a double bottom right there, I would be cautious. So pop back some Dogecoin, check in with the chat. So guys, that's pretty much what we got tonight. A lot of fun in the market, a lot of stuff going on. Just remember to always do your DD. Stay up to date with the charts. Have your exit strategy prepared. I wish this week was absolutely ripping like we thought it would be. We're just not getting it right now. So I don't think this is sustainable, this downtrend, for a long time. I just think in the short term, until some of this FUD starts washing away, I think crypto will be right back on track. But we're just seeing a major pretty good pullback from that major run up at 35 cents we just had. So Guys, I hope y'all are still all out there making tendies, making great money. I greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all tuning in tonight. But it is currently 10:30 on my end. I need to go ahead and get me some rest. I got work early in the morning, but we will be back here same time tomorrow night, 8:30, 9 o'clock Central Time. I hope to see each and every one of y'all tomorrow. If y'all have any questions, y'all can hit me up in the Discord. I'm always available to y'all. Y'all know that. And once again, much love. I greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all tuning in for me tonight. And thank y'all very much. And you're 100% right, Def Digits. Crypto just need a breather. It's still in a bit of an uptrend, man. So I'm still remaining very bullish, guys. It's just we're not seeing what we thought for the rest of the week. But you're just getting pulled back from this major run up, man. I would like to see it catch some legs and trade sideways for a little bit, get a little breather going on, find some consolidation, and get some more volume pumping back into the market, man. But once again, guys, I'll be tuning out for the night. Thank y'all very much for all the super chats, all the love, all the likes on the video. Thank you very much if you're a new subscriber, old subscriber. Much love to everybody out there, man. And best of luck in the markets, and I'll see y'all tomorrow night. Peace.